Yep, I'm recording a video. Yep, I'm recording a video. Recording a video. Recording.
Para sa mga flying foxes, isa rin itong ligtas na paningahan.
Video. But I escaped, it doesn't happen. I don't care, I don't care.
Malalaking pakpak. Amazing din itong mga virus kaya they really look like vampires.
Yes!
Grabe ka gamurado.
I have a closet from the door. Knock. Where did I go from this to this? So join the game and I found this guys. But I just built the closet from doors. This is probably write it in the comments. My dad is speaking. No, my dad is speaking. No, my dad is Bawat. I don't care. Bawat. I'm not a boat.
What's interesting is, ngayon pa lang siya na nagpaprotektahan at sa
Hey guys. Already is my phone. Happened. Roblox user for They're not Roblox users. Entry. Why did you use your name like this? What the heck? Why do you have a bunch of this? Eat my nuts! Ow! Going to the door. Going to my closet. Ow! You can damage me. Oh. Dada! Stop kissing the closet. Why is someone in here? I thought someone was here. Ah! Yeah. Hello? Am I dead? Yep, I'm glitching. I hate this. I died.
Are you in the closet?
Yep, I died. No.
That's your house?
No, I just want to build a closet. I hate this thing.
Is that a closet? What the closet?
Back, boom, boom. Back, boom. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. Yep. Now there's more space. Yep, there's more space. Look at this house. There's good as me. As my... As my...
Just
Trees block you. Dang, there's a bunch of trees. Yep. Oh, get away! I can't look. Can't look.
We're here. And a bunch of girls.
Yep, there. Nope, there's only boys there and Shankar. I don't know where did they go, bro. Yes, man.
So they're going to pool, so okay na lang mag-pool.
I hate you! I hate you guys. I hate these guys. Tong-tongs, I hate you. I don't want even you in 2025. I forgot their brain rots. So we stopped saying that. Haha.
Hindi mawala ng tanta sa kanilang kaligtasan at habang hinahanap ng mga scientifico
Joining the game.
ng kanilang paglalakbay, mahalagang magbigyan
Why did I receive this?
parang
Join.
nila ang kanilang ganting misyon. Ako si Dr. Vincent Milano. Ako si Dr. Stresio.
This. Okay. My brother. He's joining this game. Yep, he died already. His brother's like this ball. He's not. I tried it. And my ball always sucks. Ah! My always sucks, man. I need to kill myself to go to the top. Going, dang. Why is everything blocking my way through here? It's even hard to go on the tree house right now. And there's a tree planted on a tree. Why? Why did I do this?
Si Kuya Bear nagkachinilas.
I could escape.
Okay, last 1 minute.
Ow!
Ben, anong oras na?
9:36. Oh!
Ano?
9:36.
Oh, last 1 minute. 9 start to 7.
Ah!
Count. 60,
I'm going.
59, 50, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53,
Could I build in your house now?
52, 51, 50,
Ben!
49,
Ben! Help!
40,
Hey, you!
46,
Well, okay. I know.
46,
Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help! There's ninjas!
That's in my house.
The ninjas are
So, there's so much niggas.
There's more!
35,
Thank God! Help! Oh, dang. I survived.
Where's my dad? Hey, Peter.
I survived. Alive.
20, last 20 seconds. Okay, go.
Money.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9,
Ah!
8, 7,
Naman.
6, 5. Last 5 seconds. 4,
Naman.
2, last 1 second. Wow.
I like the You can stay here if you want. Bird does not let me in. It is green bean. This is the owner's room. I can't go.
The target dito 500. Target 250.
Let us enter.
Two 64 over then 264 above the 14 plus 17, 31 grams over. Plus minus 15. Okay, so ang total natin ay 781.
Oh my gosh.
We are 31 grams above yung target na 750. At least na actually line. Pero sa'yo, wala. Pero na result sila. Pretty good. So, ano masasabi mo, Mick? Lahat ng matter, dahil natubas at tubig, ay may matter.